Hi there. My name's Alex Meeks. I'm an attorney and the owner of Acorn Law, a law firm in Clarksville, Maryland. It's dedicated to helping busy parents find stability, security, and peace of mind for their families. Today, in this video, I'm going to address what you should be thinking about when naming guardians for your minor children in your will. I often find that parents get stuck at this point in the process because they're trying to pick the perfect person to fill the role of guardian. I'd encourage you instead to consider what might happen if you make no decision at all. This could result in someone you really don't want stepping forward to fill this role. It could also result in costly or ugly litigation for your family. So what are the kinds of things you should be considering? My first piece of advice is not just to select one guardian, but select a guardian and a number of backups as well. I typically advise clients to have at least 3 people in line, but ideally 5 or even more. Hopefully this is never needed, but if it is, there are just so many factors that go into someone's willingness and ability to serve. You want to make sure you have a number of people in line. The next thing that I want you to consider is to really think about this from your child's perspective. This isn't the time to be worried about which family members' feelings might be hurt if they're not selected, or even which family members you feel closest to. Think instead about who your children are most comfortable with. Think about where they go to school, where are their activities and their friends, and really consider which guardians could provide your children with the most stability. The last thing that I would urge you to consider is not to overthink it. The worst thing you could do would be to make no choice at all. So carve out some time and come up with your best list for now. It won't be set in stone. These decisions can and should change over time as your children grow and mature, and you can always revise the decisions that you've made. Thank you so much for listening. If you found the information in this video helpful, or if you think it might be helpful to others, please like and share. I'd also encourage you to visit my website, which is listed right here on this page. On the website, you'll find access to a free workbook full of questions and prompts that will get you started thinking about all the things you should be considering for your emergency and legacy planning. It's also very easy on the website to schedule a quick chat with me, and I'd love it if you do that. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to help.